जब भी मैंने पिक्चर बनाई है तो क्या करता हूँ, मैं नए किस्म के सब्जेक्ट लेता हूँ जो डिफ़िकल्ट होते हैं, जो रातों को नींद मेरे ख़राब कर देते हैं। मैं वैसे सब्जेक्ट लेता हूँ और फिर स्क्रीन प्ले में उसको मैं पिरोता हूँ ताकि मेरी पिक्चर को छोटे से गांव में भी लोगों को समझ में आनी चाहिए बात, और जो रहते हैं मैनहट्टन में या अब्रॉड वो भी समझ सके। तो मैं पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए पिक्चर बनाता हूँ, और क्रिश जैसी पिक्चर बनाने के लिए हमारे पास सबसे मजबूत वेपन है स्टोरी और उसकी कंटेंट। So we sat for a year, we worked on a story.
Eventually पापा के पास एक ऐसा आइडिया आया और he was so encouraged and charged by it.
I got an idea for a supervillain who has a lot of powers in him, much more powers than Krish has. So I called Mr. Tony Ching from China.
Action! गाड़ी आ रही है, जाओ पीछे! पीछे जाओ!
Working with Tony Ching was the first big journey of this film, and that took a lot of effort. I remember we sat for days.
हम लोग 10, 12, 15 लोग सुबह 9:30 बजे से लेकर शाम को 6:30 बजे तक इतने वहीं पे एवरी डिपार्टमेंट, कैमरा, आर्ट, एवरीबॉडी इज देयर। मतलब रिकेश जी के एडीज, एक्शन डिपार्टमेंट, सभी लोग वहाँ पे हैं। ये नहीं कि शॉर्टकट एक एक चीज़ को पकड़ के कंटिन्यूस मीटिंग्स होती हैं।
Tony is a master in fireworks. There's nobody touch him.
मैंने क्रिश की थी तो मुझे याद है कि वो बहुत ही एप्रीहेंसिव रहते थे कि मैं कोई चीज़ कर पाऊंगा या नहीं, क्योंकि तब तक जिन एक्टर्स के साथ उन्होंने काम किया था, they were maybe a bit more conservative, लेकिन हम हिंदुस्तानी हम जब करते हैं तो we want to go full force. तो मैं तो कूद के I used to land up in front of him के I'll do it.
और श्याम जी उनका साथ देते हैं यहाँ पे।
आप उन्हें कुछ भी दे दो, he will execute it to perfection.
He is one of India's best fight master we have today.
हाँ, ये तो ईमानदारी से डेफिनेटली कह सकते हैं कि जो क्रिश 3 में एक्शन है वो अभी तक इंडियन सिनेमा में तो नहीं देखा गया।
स्क्रिप्ट का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सीक्वेंस हमारे माइंड में जो कंसर्न था वो था कि क्रिश जब पहली बार इस फिल्म में आएगा, so how will he appear? So we knew one thing, that it has to be something to do with the sky, where you can actually understand that Krish is in Mumbai, in India, and saving the people of India.
So what we did was we shot almost all the big towers right from Goregaon to Worli. We must have gone on each and every terraces, and we got the whole blueprint of how Bombay looks from top. And that's where we started generating the entire city, in CGI, and creating Bombay the way it looks right now.
VFX एक अलग ही दुनिया है।
We are almost now 300 of us working almost for a year and a half. And if you say now, we basically working 24/7, no holidays. People don't go home for days.
शूटिंग करने से भी ज़्यादा मेहनत VFX में लगता है, क्योंकि मेरी जो विज़न है वो आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए, तो ही आप वो बना सकेंगे जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ।
So we have used mix. Now this is completely CGI. This is road. Road what we shot separately. You can't get this kind of plate. Now if you have a copter or something.
How to show the chaos on screen. Started off something like this. Kids are going to enjoy this. a lot. It's like just amazing to see this kind of stuff on screen.
बहुत अच्छा काम किया है and I'm very proud that I have done all the VFX work in India.
स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स जो हैं वो एक हद तक आपको कुछ दे सकती हैं, बट यू हैव टू बिल्ड फॉर रियल ऑल्सो। तो हैदराबाद में हम लोगों ने इरेक्ट किया था एक सेट जो था एक अबाउट 1 माइल लॉन्ग इट वाज।
मुंबई की कहानी है तो और मुंबई में हम शूटिंग नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ट्रैफिक इतना है, तो हमने सोचा कि क्या करें, तो हमने बहुत बड़ा सेट लगाया है रामोजी राव स्टूडियो में, स्ट्रीट बनाया जिसमें बिल्डिंग्स बनाए।
Basically, the design and style, everything was matching Bandra-Kurla kind of steel and glass and steel structure, which was a high-tech building. But I think that we converted into 3 other roads also by changing the facade a little bit and changing the decoration.
और इस तरह से साबू ने डिज़ाइन किया है कि हम उसको एक स्ट्रीट ना दिखा के 3-4 स्ट्रीट हम दिखा सकते थे।
और इस स्ट्रीट के ऊपर हम लोग ने काफ़ी एक्शन शूट किया। You know, happens wherever Krish is. It's always अंदर बाहर ऊपर नीचे, ये साइड पे वो साइड पे, on top, on the bottom, hanging, all kinds of places. But that set was an amazing experience क्योंकि अगर आप वहाँ पर खड़े होकर आप देखते हो तो आपको लगेगा कि you're actually standing in Mumbai.
Krish is protecting Mumbai now. The people are rejoicing that Krish has saved their lives. And Rohit is called as the guest of honor.
There is a big statue of Krish which is being unveiled in Mumbai.
Start cameras. Music.
साबू ने ऋतिक के फेस का मोड़ लिया, फिर एक छोटा सा स्टैचू बनाया ऋतिक जैसे ही लग रहा था बिल्कुल। Then I don't know what Sabu did. He made it big. How he made it big, I don't know.
It was the first time I think I used 3D printing for that. We had a scan of Hrithik and which we converted into an actual physical model. Actually, the Krish statue was around 35 to 40 feet height.
कभी कोई तो ऐसा लगता था क्रिश खुद ही खड़ा है उधर। ऋतिक came up with this idea. Let Rohit do all the steps of कोई मिल गया।
Then first choice is either this or what I thought was just you go.
Chini Prakash brings bigness to the film.
You are almost like you are the hero. You are Krish. You feel it.
Chini Prakash is exceptional. He paints with a crowd, a sea of people. That will just look magical. Every man accepts and recognizes that he too can be a superhero because there is one in all of us. Whatever power you have, it's at 8 or it's at 80 or 800. If you're using it to help somebody else, you're a superhero. That's what is the genesis of this song.
हम सब में कृष है।
मैं भी कृष हूँ। कृष ने कहा था।
मेरे पास भी है।
मेरे पास भी है।
मेरे पास भी है।
If Krish is, all goodness, selflessness, Kal is the exact opposite. Kal is born from hate. Kal is the prince of darkness.
काल का जो कैरेक्टर है वो बहुत स्कैरी है।
Carl gets angry, I run out of the sets because he can break the whole set. He's got so much power in him.
At the same time, I felt, how should his skin look? How should his hair be? How should it appear? How should his body appear? So I thought कि ये आदमी जो हमेशा अपने आप को अपनी कायनात में, अपनी दुनिया में गिरफ्त करके रखता है, वो कहीं बाहर नहीं निकलता. He doesn't come out in the sun. So his skin would be pale. There was the first look test. It popped up at their house, literally. Sat on that wheelchair and did the skin in that very pale and very sickly and very, unexposed to light. And it was boom.
Sabu sir designed the wheelchair and we sent it to Vivek.
To customize the entire wheelchair exactly according to the length of palms, hands. They actually came, they took molds of my hand.
Position has to be so comfortable. So I had to give a groove into the armrest so that he'll feel comfortable.
I tried to use the wheelchair as my body. Tried to move it, stop it, turn it, and speak with that as an extension of my personality. He doesn't have to think, it's second nature. और वो practice करने के लिए मुझे बहुत समय लगा. When I was home, I would sit in that wheelchair and move from my bedroom to my hall, to my kitchen, wherever I had to go. I would move completely only with that wheelchair.
काल के कॉस्ट्यूम के बारे में जब वो काल व्हीलचेयर से उठता है तो साबू came up with something new. He sketched me and he showed me. So I asked Sabu, then how do we make it? He and Gavin, they got together and they made that costume into pieces.
With maybe more than 22 or 23 pieces that went into the costume.
So जब काल को रेडी करना होता था तो he always had 2 permanent dressmen with him.
Really, really sweet team of assistants and people from the costume department. क्योंकि एक्शन करते थे, एक किक होता था, एक जंप होता था और 2-3 पुर्जे निकल आते थे. फिर वो वापस पुर्जे लगाने पड़ते थे. We had to stick those parts back on and then we had to continue doing it. It was very difficult for me.
तो जब मैं उनको देखता था गर्मी में एक पीस जोड़ के उनका कॉस्ट्यूम बनता था और फिर वो सेट पे आते थे, वो देख के आई यूज्ड टू थिंक, अरे यार, आई कांट कंप्लेन अबाउट माय वन जिपर एंड माय ग्लव्स. आई कांट कंप्लेन एनीमोर.
जब भी दोनों की फाइट हो रही है, क्रिश की और काल की, दे आर कम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर.
Action.
ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है ऑन द सेट के काल और क्रिश हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ रहे हैं, फाइट कर रहे हैं. और जैसी वी हियर कट, मतलब वी आर बोथ ऑन ईच अदर्स आर्म्स like help, support each other. The villain and the hero were helping each other. That's how it should be. It has been a great journey working with Vivek.
वो इतना पावरफुल है तो he wants to make his own world of mutants where he can control the whole world. We don't have a word for mutants. So we were thinking what name to give for all the mutants. And from Janvar, we made it Manvar.
पहली बार आई थिंक हिंदी फिल्म में आपको म्यूटेंट्स दिखाई देंगी और देयर इज अ राइनो मैन, देयर इज एन एंट मैन, देयर इज आल्सो द चीता गर्ल, देयर इज अ स्कॉर्पियन गर्ल. द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग वन इज द फ्रॉग मैन. एक स्वॉर्ड फिश मैन भी है जो कि एक मानवर है. ही इज एक्चुअली गॉट हैंड्स व्हिच आर वेरी वेरी शार्प. तो इन सब मानवर के साथ लड़के Krish has to overcome a lot of barriers like this to even get close to Carl.
3, 2, 1.
सभी में एक सहन शक्ति जो बोलते हैं वो बहुत थी, क्योंकि it was very difficult. वो सब मेकअप वेकअप के साथ you're made to wait for like 6 hours sometimes, 8 hours sometimes, and you still have to be in makeup. So they've also been through a lot of hard work. कंगना का जो कैरेक्टर है काया, दिस इज अ कैरेक्टर दैट इंडिया विल एक्चुअली डिस्कवर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम.
40% से ज्यादा लोग इस वायरस से इन्फेक्ट हो चुके हैं.
With Hrithik being around, it's been very easy for all of us, and he's been very helpful.
राकेश जी और ऋतिक जी की जो आपस में केमिस्ट्री है उसको देख के बड़ा मज़ा आया, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. उनकी ऑनेस्टी अपने सिनेमा के प्रति और उनके सब्जेक्ट के प्रति जैसा डेडिकेशन पैशन है उनका, वो बहुत ऑब्जर्व करने वाला है. एक एक चीज़ की माइन्यूट डिटेलिंग जो उनको काम करते हुए देखा, तो वो डिटेलिंग देखने और समझने का मौका मिला, वो हमारे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है और आई एम फीलिंग प्राउड ऑफ दैट.
I must say he's very kind and he's been involved on every stage, and I think he's been a very big support for all of us.
The incredible thing about Kaya is that she's unstoppable. She's the nuclear weapon in Carl's arsenal.
उनके स्टांस से लेके उनका कॉस्ट्यूम, उनका जो डिक्शन है, उनका जो उनके जो आईज हैं, जो मेकअप है, उनकी जो चाल है, हर चीज़ में आपको लगेगा कि माय गॉड हु इज़ दिस पर्सन.
To get the look right was a very big challenge for us, and for us to get something between animal and human and wicked, fierce and beautiful at the same time. Mr. Roshan was very clear what he wanted, but me and my designer Gavin Miguel, we took some time in order to get the things right.
Gavin Miguel got the costume made in London.
Even if she were to put on quarter of an inch, she couldn't have got into that costume. So she had to do it.
Apparently they made a wax statue of mine, and they melted the material on that, and that's how it was made. So I couldn't afford to fluctuate my body weight or measurements at all.
I get to play a character which is not just Priya, and suddenly, you know, I had to pretend like I was Priya, but yet have the mannerisms, body language, and the thought of Kaya. So it was really interesting for me to have such an amazing role in the film.
She's animal. She got those animal instinct in her that she would fight like a lioness. And she's emotional as well, like she got human emotions in her. That makes her very exciting.
This is my favorite song in the film. Shot it in a place called Jordan.
Rakesh ji said, this is the locale I've like hunted for, and you imagine the song there. बहुत सारे गाने बनाए मैंने वही चीज़ सोच करके, but it was a no for all the songs, and I made the song there and then. Ultimately, he heard a beat which he liked first.
So he made a tune and he gave a beat to it, which is going to be new to this world.
उसी गाने के दौरान एक सैंडस्टॉर्म भी हुआ था. That was the day when I was doing my bare-chested shots in the song. शॉट के पहले मुझे बताया जाता है कि 10 मिनट बाकी हैं, तो I start prepping for the shot with little workout.
We used to drive for hours to get to a place, and when me and HR, we would stand on our marks, they would tell us, come back, there's a storm coming.
और 3 मिनट के अंदर it used to be a sandstorm which you would feel as if it's going to last for eternity. तो वो आता था 3 मिनट के लिए और जाता था for 10 minutes. Again I prep, again I come back on the set, again there's a sandstorm. तो ये ऐसा होता गया और होता गया और होता गया. Finally I don't know how we managed to get that shot.
I have got one shot in the film where Ritik and Kangana are standing. It's clear, but the background you can see the sandstorm still moving.
मेरे चाचा की one of his best songs. Really enjoyed doing the song.
हम सब की मेहनत, मेरे सारे टेक्नीशियंस की मेहनत, मेरे सारे एक्टर्स की मेहनत, मेरे प्रोडक्शन की मेहनत, मेरे डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट की मेहनत. Every department has put in their best in this film.
Film making is about teamwork. दूसरे लोगों के contribution के बगैर आप कुछ नहीं. तो once you understand that, then your ego gets thrown out of the set.
Back up and thank you all for a fantastic picnic.
Why are you laughing, sir? No, it's looking very stupid. Cute, that's right.
Looking very cute.
सारे जो देख रहा है हंस रहा है. You want me to change the hairstyle?
हंसना तो ये कॉमेडी है.
Cut, sir.